Well, now we're looking at the next part of the inspection. The lower engine compartment area, you see a hydraulic changeover valve. Probably changes one of these hydraulic pumps from steering to outrigger suspension or cooling fan outrigger suspension. Those are 3 hydraulic pumps mounted to the PTO for the coming off the transmission. Cummins engine. Looks like a fairly easy engine to pull once you get the boom rest off. You get to take advantage of this straight inline 6 Cummins. Okay.
Go over to the crane and tell me what's on there.
Now we're looking at the swing motors. 3 swing motors on this crane. Boom holding valve, little rust. No oil coming from the rod seal on the boom lift cylinder. That all looks good. No oil in the hydraulic control block area. Saw no cracks in this area. Everything looks good. We're showing the operation of the upper now. Everything's good. Looks nice, straight. We're looking at another shot of the upper cab. Everything's nice, straight, nothing banged up. Little walk around. All the glass is good. The hydraulic tank is nice, square. Anyway, see how the condition of the tires. Good looking crane. Another shot of the upper structure here. We're going up the boom. See the big reel there for the hydraulically offsettable swing away jib. Anyway, back down. Boom lift cylinder. 7 ship block. I was told it goes with the machine. Also we'll see another shot of the rod seal of the boom lift cylinder showing no oil. Bottom of the boom lift cylinder looked to be in good condition, no hits. Now we're looking at the automatic greasing system for the upper link and luber. Shot of the rotation bearing, found no cracks in that area. Swing motors again. Go for another shot inside the valve block. This is the main control valve block. Now we're looking under the boom, and this is where we first started to see a little bit of oil coming from the boom. Standard componentry, quick connects. Anyway, it needs a little cleaning, as you can see. Anyway, here we are back at the valve block, the hydraulic valve block. No leaks in that area. That's pretty good. Quick disconnects for boom removal. No leaking in there. Then I take the boom off. The electrical plugs for boom removal. They're all still there, in good shape, intact. No cracks, nothing. A lot of grease in this area. No cracks, and there's weldings. Electrical junction box. Every wire seemed to be good. Nobody's walked around on them.
You can see when you come up 81 where
he gets in his paperwork. He says, "I bought 10 of them."
Well, now we're looking at the upper oil coolers. There's 2 of them, top of the hydraulic tank. Going down to this valve area here. The hoses in that tray should go with the machine. They're the emergency rescue hoses. Should you have a problem with the telescoping, so you'll need those hoses to bring the boom back in.
Lane says the 10 I got, he says they're not for sale because they're going on a rental job. So
that's amazing too.
it is, it really is. But you know what, Mark? They know so many.
Now we're going to have a look at the boom. And here we're showing the boom telescoped out from behind, looking to see if it's straight. Standing directly behind it. This is all but one, all sections scope up to number 1. It's 2, 3, 4. Here we're going to look at it again, and we're going to see the backward camber of the boom. And you can see that got a little backward arch, which indicates normally that the wear pads and everything are in good condition. Looks good. Machine telescoped without a vibration at all, which means it must have been greased fairly well, even though it sat for a while in the machine. And you can see there again the backwards camber of it. That's normal in all the new machines.
Well, like you say, nothing is going to happen because they're not really going to get anything done.
Here you get another look at the boom. There's a good shot of it, backward camber. Yep, going into it again. And back down the boom to the cab.
So what, he bought a link belt, Renee?
A looking machine. Well, now we're going to have a look inside the boom. Try to see about this oil leak. There you see the cylinder in the bottom of the boom. A little bit wet with oil. Holding valve area. That's the back of the telescope cylinder. You see the chrome rod. The top plug there is the area where the oil came out, right there. That's where we saw oil coming down. Again, this is turned 90 degrees. So the oil is definitely coming from the tubing that you saw there. This is the back of the holding valve and the bigger power relay underneath it. Moving on to precision length reel, which has been pretty well protected by somebody who covered up the holes, and pulling on the precision length reel, it ran smooth. So it seems like that part of it's working okay. I suspect that yellow piece there, the reel, so it probably needs some cleaning.
Go ahead, work.
Now we're going to see the cab tilt work. That all worked well. It's a nice feature of these cranes. And here we are rotating the superstructure with the boom retractor, of course. Oh, smooth. Good run, good smooth crane. Last but not least, the large counterweight blocks, 10 ton apiece. They're not bag shaped.